Hey, stick around and let me show you how I got this color. Okay, so she was previously lightened a few months ago, but it is time to get her color over, and she always starts off with the fresh cut. Going in with my Big Mag clipper, and I do believe this is their number 3. Now, don't confuse it with a number 3 from another brand because their clippers are very different as far as the numbers and the way that it works. So anyway, I am literally just buzzing off her curls. She advised me that she wanted it extremely short, and it's because she's exercising and things like that. So the shorter, the better for her and her lifestyle, and it works for me, honey. And now that she is all cut, I'm going with my Eco Heads color mixer. The lightener that I did use is by Blonde Solutions. I used their lightener as well as their developer. Now, the one thing that I did notice about their developer, well, their color, it doesn't mix really well. So it's best to buy the machine. And as you can see, it's really creamy. And the good thing about the machine as well, you use less color. So it worked out. So we're doing her first application of lightener, and this is their 35%. I believe that's what it's called. All right, so I'm going to back her up, and I am actually going to double back her, and she is going to sit for 45 to 55 minutes. Now, you can see this is the first application of the color. It still is very much yellow. So I'm going to go back in with her color, with the color again, but this time the color is only going to sit for 15 or 20 minutes. And I'm also going to double back her as well to get that heat from her scalp to process that color. Now, I did tone her hair with Schwarzkopf's bonding mask in the color violet. And of course, her hair was molded with Main Life Collection Main Mint Foam. Now I am doing her signature lines, which seems like everybody getting lines these days. You get a line, you get a line. Using my Babyliss outliner. I will link this in the description box below. You can grab it on Amazon. It comes in a gold, silver, and I believe it's like a rose gold color. But I'm fancy, so I went with the gold. So now I'm just going in and cutting again with the number 1 guard, and I'm closing it all the way and just cleaning up her hair so that it is really, really short on the side. So if she decides to sweat or anything like that, the hair won't be looking crazy. Actually, I'm not going to even say decide to sweat, because who decides to sweat? But y'all know what I meant. So I am done with her hair. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe so that the algorithm knows that you enjoy my content. And I see you guys again for the next video.